Today I'm gonna take you on one of the greatest shopping experiences in the world.
Haydi bekle bekle bekle.
Did you know the Grand Bazaar is one of the oldest shopping malls in the world and still attracts over 250,000 people every day? The Grand Bazaar is big, very big. Imagine 61 covered streets, over 3,000 shops. It's so easy to get lost here and makes it the largest mall in the world. What sets the Grand Bazaar really apart is that these stores are not chains. They are authentic craft stores, some of them dating back 500 years. The Grand Bazaar has a mystical, almost magical atmosphere. It's like going time traveling. The thing I like the most is that everywhere you go, you're offered a glass of delicious tea. Tea is such an important part of Turkish culture. It symbolizes their hospitality, and Turks are very friendly people.
Çok teşekkürler.
Celebrities always visit the Grand Bazaar when they're in Istanbul. Even James Bond visited Kapılı Çarşı. Discover all this and more in Turkey, home of the Grand Bazaar.